Hey everybody, it is Nicole, and this is going to be the last video that I'm gonna post before we go to Japan. We are going to go to Japan on the 1st, which is a Sunday, so yeah, I'm super excited, but I wanted to unmold these guys. This is from my last live before I left, so you guys could see what it looked like. This one was a Petri pour, and then this one was supposed to be like a lace effect, and I used pigment paste for what I normally use as the white. So let's unmold the pill first. And I use the same colors as this mold for this one here. So here we go. I'm not really like expecting anything spectacular. It's just something fun. I wanted to just do a second project during my live. So let's see what it looks like. And it didn't really come out as a Petri, but I do like the colors. You can see the blue and a little bit of the pink, and then definitely the purple. I think what happened is that the purple kind of just got overtaken. So, and I think the other thing is I don't think I shook the white enough to make it a true indeed Petri. But I'm happy with the muted colors that came out, and it's really like feathery on with the colors. So there's that. And then we'll see how this came out. I am happy if it just comes out to be like a purple outline and not a true lace effect. So let's see what it looks like. I wanted to unmold these for you guys so you didn't have to wait for like a couple of weeks until I held my next live, which will be after I come back, which will be after Valentine's Day. And I will try to do, you know, some community posts with some still photos, and then maybe some, you know, other videos and stuff in between. So here we go. Let's see here. Okay, and it's kind of a lace effect. The purple was called electric purple, and so you can kind of see the iridescent or sparkliness in the purple, but I do like this look as well. So yeah, that's that, you guys. It's not a very long video, but so that you can see it a little bit better up against the white. I do like the way that came out though. So I will see you guys in my next one, and like I said, I will try to post something up when we get there throughout the time that we're in Japan. You can see pictures of, you know, any of the sites we might go to and or the food we eat. So I'm super excited, and I will see you guys in my next video. And oh, and then the other thing is I plan on picking up something fun to add to the New Year giveaway that I still have going. Still haven't posted up what you guys will need to look for clues, because you guys were interested in me picking up something to add to that giveaway. So in the meantime, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.